As most of you know, I'm a former model that absolutely loves fashion. So today I wanted to give you a little bit more of an up-close and personal perspective on casual clothes that I would wear for certain occasions. So I really went through my closet to show you this one. I've got 5 outfit inspirations, so let's get started. And the first one is something that I would wear to go to brunch with my daughters. Every time I wear this outfit, my daughters, who are in their 30s, rave about the pants. And let's get one thing straight. I'm not trying to look 30. I'm trying to look chic at an age where many women kind of give up. Don't give up. What I love about these cargo pants is that they are trendy, but oh so comfy. They also have a lot of pockets, so I can leave my purse at home. I found a similar stretchy pair for just $30, and they go up to size 2XL, and they're 97% cotton and 3% spandex. I find that pink looks great with green, so I'm wearing a Hanes cotton camisole for $16, and they also go to size 2XL in 6 colors. The hoodie is also by Hanes, and get this, last time I checked, it was an amazing 50% off for just $13, and it's mostly cotton. And check out my sneakers. Aren't they fun? They're from Blowfish for about $40, and I just slip into them. This is one of my go-to outfits these days to get the 3 C's: comfort, casual, and chic. Now, as usual, most of the items that I'm modeling will be in the video description and also in the first comment. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, there you're going to find all my favorite fashions and also shoes and accessories. But for now, let's get into the next outfit inspiration. And this is what I wore recently on a casual date night with my husband, Bill. Bill and I just celebrated a wedding anniversary, and I'm sharing what I wore. I knew that after a fancy French dinner, we would be walking around a lake, so casual, comfortable, and chic was what I was going for. I love this stretchy jean skirt, and I can make the slit go as high or as low as I want. I went a little higher for date night. I wanted a touch of silkiness, so I wore this silky cami for $20. As for the overtop, it's actually a stretchy lace blouse by Pretty Garden, and it's about $30. And of course, on the other days, I wear it as a blouse. My shoes had to be comfy for walking, and these kitten heel sandals were perfect since there's hardly any heel at all, and they're just $35. Whether you're going out on a date night or just out with friends, try switching up your jeans for a long jean skirt. It's just one more item that I love to wear on those casual special occasions. And as most of you know, I mix fashion tutorials with inspirational messages here on the Loving Our Age channel. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't see my newest videos. But for now, I got another outfit inspiration for you for casual chic. I'd wear this outfit for browsing a street sale or an art festival. And these white pants are all the rage, but they can be really tricky to wear. If you mix a big top with these big pants, you're gonna look huge. I know now that this wide leg pant look is not going anywhere. So I want to introduce you to these comfy, stretchy pants that feel like you're wearing pajamas. They're just $26, and I also have them in black. I'm wearing a basic V-neck top for just $17, and the part of the outfit that really sets it off is this black vest, and it's adjustable in the back, and it's just $39. I added a long necklace to the mix, And since I want to be hands-free for casual days, this cell phone purse for $37 fits the bill. As for my sneakers, of course, I picked my Skechers slip-in sneakers for just around $60. And they balance out this casual chic outfit perfectly. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where once again I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. But let's get into the next outfit, and this is one where we're dining outside, maybe on a patio. Let's take a look. Patio snacks and nibblies are great stops for lunch, but when it's warm outside, instead of a pair of shorts, as most of you know, I prefer the skort, which is a mixture of shorts with a skirt. And this pair by Motifi for $30 is one of my favorites. Of course, it's stretchy and it has pockets, but if I'm sitting at an outdoor patio, you never know if the chairs are dirty. So I usually choose a darker color. I've got a lace trim top under that's just $10. And to make this look more stylish, I added a long flowy rust vest for just $24, and it comes in 7 colors. I have a new pair of sneakers to introduce you to. These are brown sneakers that are by Skechers. They're slip-ins and with memory foam and just $52. Oh, and don't forget that I added a cool stretchy belt for $20, and of course that cell phone purse for essentials. Now I'm feeling cool in the heat and looking cool and chic too. And don't forget to check your own measurements against every size chart for every item that you order online, because you know what? A large is not a large right across the board. Now, I talked to you about the wide leg white pants that I love to wear, but also I've got a new pair of wide leg jeans, so let's take a look at when and where I'd wear those. For a daytime to an evening fun-filled day, most of you know I love Lee jeans. So when it came to picking out a pair of wide jeans, these stretchy ones for $40 were my choice. And these pants come in short, regular, and tall sizes. I just put on a sleeveless top on denim, it's denim material for about $20. And of course, my white Skechers sneakers. And if you want to cover your arms, this lightweight Belief hoodie is made for warm weather with a UTF 50 sunscreen protection, and it's just $30. And it can stay in my straw bag for whenever I need it. And don't forget your sunglasses for eye protection from the sun. And they also look chic and trendy. And remember, if you want to see a lot more of my fashion and inspirational messages, almost every day I'm on Instagram. So all you have to do is look at Instagram.com, search Loving Our Age, or just go to Instagram.com/lovingourage. And I really hope that you follow me there. And for all of you that are sticking with me and watching the inspirational videos that I'm putting out, they're kind of like heart-to-heart chats. Thank you very much. And what I want to do, I want to talk about confidence building in those, some of the things that I've learned, also maneuvering the aging journey, and I'm also throwing in, again, up close and personal, some lifestyle videos and even my home life. I want you to feel when you're here that you're part of a great little community. And hey, if you've got any suggestions that you want me to talk about, put them in the comments because I'd love to hear them. And who knows, they might be a great suggestion that I'll use in the future. I want this to be kind of like a place where you feel that you belong. And I know that as I'm maneuvering the aging journey, my kids, they're all older. Some of them have kids of their own, so they're not visiting me as much. And some of my very good friends, well, their kids, moved away and they've moved closer to them. So sometimes it's good to have a place where you feel you belong. Now, I know the aging journey, it's not all lollipops and roses, so I'm going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly in my inspirational videos. And Of course, with fashion, I want you to look good on the outside, but with the inspiration, I want you to feel good and confident on the inside. And by the way, if you have any comments, maybe I'm talking about something and you want to comment on it, please go right ahead. I love reading your comments. Anyway, until our next video, stay chic and casual and keep on, let's all keep on loving our age.